So, here in our episode, we're going to ask some senior high school students about their life as humanistas.
Hi, I'm Jessel Dichoso, and I'm currently grade 11 UMS student in Trece Martires City Senior High School.
So, is your first choice really UMS or is there any other strand that you want to pursue?
Actually, my first choice is STEM.
So, basically, your first choice is STEM. So, paano ka napunta sa UMS?
Wait.
Is your first choice really UMS or is there any other stand that you want to pursue?
Actually, first choice ko yung STEM.
So, bakit ka nandito sa UMS?
Kasi wala na akong ibang mapiling strand.
As tinake mo bio entrance examination or not?
Tinake ko pero hindi ako nakapasa.
So, when you fail the entrance examination in STEM, how do you feel about that?
Nang hinayang ako kasi yung course ng gusto kong kunin, hindi ko na makukuha.
Since you have mentioned your dream course, what is your dream course?
Ang dream course ko is engineering.
Now that you are currently taking UMS, are you really happy with it or especially being a UMS student means your forte is public speaking which involves socialization?
Happy pa rin naman kasi nakikipag-socialize naman ako pag minsan.
So, do you love what you're doing in UMS? Like, are there any regrets?
Wala naman.
What were the challenges that you faced as humanista?
Siguro yung pagsasalita ko sa harapan at yung pagre-recite. Kasi hindi ko forte yung pagsasalita sa harapan dahil wala akong confidence sa sarili.
Now that our midterms are finally done, during our first quarter, do you enjoy doing essays?
Yes, kasi may natutunan ko na kung paano gumawa ng essay.
Okay, do you love studying our specialization like PPG and DISS?
Yes, kasi hindi ako fan ng politics, pero ngayon parang naengganyo akong matutunan yung about sa politics.
Thank you. Live news. Going to ask some senior high school students.
Hi, I am Jessel Dichoso, currently grade 11 UMS Cavite in Trece.
Involve socialization.
I'm happy
Dun sa pagiging
Sorry for all the grammatical errors. This girl is not your typical English girly.